Alright, so I'm going to try and we'll see about, these are going to be my turn signals in the front. They're switchbacks, so they got, they're switchbacks. So the turn signals will be amber, and then the white light will be for just daytime running lights. They'll come on with the parking lights. So we'll see about wiring these up, and then we'll also see about wiring up my headlights. Game plan is this one is going to be the low beam, and then I think all three will come on for the high beams. I don't think 2 for lows is necessary. I don't know. We'll find out. Worst case scenario, I gotta come back and redo it. It's no big deal. I think I used 1 before. I don't remember though. Pretty sure I did because I had it wired out. It could only turn on 1 for lows and then 2 for high. So we can get at least them wired up and then ran into the car. And then I still got to figure out the wiring to get it. I don't know if I'm going to be able to use the high-low function on the steering column. I'm trying to find the pinout for that, but I can't seem to find it. So, and I don't know. We'll see. I'll keep digging around, look at some more diagrams. Maybe I can figure it out. But for now, we'll get all this stuff wired up and then ran into the car, and hopefully that'll work. So this is an eBay kit for these LED lights, and I just undid the harness, and it looks like this thing's actually a really nice harness. Because it comes back, and then it's connected all the way over to this other one. So it's already wired, so then all you gotta do is just wire in these ones. So that's pretty cool. I thought that was pretty nice. And these things are only like, probably 15 bucks or something like that. So that's pretty neat. So, but now I gotta figure out how the wiring actually works. Alright, figure go over these so when I want to know in the future, plus I can show you guys what I did. I just ran them from over there, then I spliced those ones, are all the wires are ran over to here, and then I will be grounding. So I got black as the ground, white is my low beams, pink will be my high beams. I also grabbed my fan so I can wire that in. It'll get grounded. And then I have these. I've yet to wire in the driver's side here, or the passenger side, I mean. The passenger side is going to be spliced in with purple. And then the driver's side, the blinker is blue. This blue here. So driver's side blinker is blue. Then the passenger side will be purple, and okay, yeah, okay. I thought I fucked up, but I just got to run this red wire here, and that will go to the ignition switch, come on with like the tail lights and all that stuff for your parking lights, and then I just need to ground this, and then so I have a ground for the blinkers and the running lights. I have a ground here for the fan. And then I'll also have the ground here for the headlights. So, but we're making some progress. It's going to get ran just right across the top here. I have that piece right here that I made. And it forces the air. It kind of ramps it up out of the hood scoop here. So it'll run right across. There's like a little beam that goes right across top, so it'll just get zip tied right to that. I suppose we can look at the basically a finished product. So then you'll have the light down here. It'll go in through that hole. I still got the old one in there, so I got to take that one out. And then I just got to figure out how I'm going to mount these guys. We'll turn on the light here, and then basically it'll go up in there. I made these ones, but I'm not a big fan on them. They didn't turn out how I was hoping, so I didn't use those. So yeah, we'll just keep going here. Then we'll loom it all up, and then we'll have to drill a hole somewhere in here, run it into the car, and then we'll have to wire it up. But I'm not sure if that'll get done in this video, but we'll for sure get this all loomed up and ran into the car for the most part, as long as I have a grommet that big. Alright, we got it mostly tidied up. This guy will just sit down. Let's see if I can. It'll basically sit. So it's going to basically sit like that. Runs over, goes down. I got these 3 grounds I got to run. Then this light will be down there. But otherwise, we got all our wires. I'm about to loom it up, but I figure we go over it one more time. See if I can remember. Pink is high beams, white will be low beams. This big red wire will be the fan. Purple wire was passenger side. Blue wire is driver side. This little red wire is for the daytime lights on those guys, the little lights. So, but that's it. So I'll loom this all up. We'll figure out if I have a grommet big enough. We'll drill a hole somewhere's probably thinking right here, because I want to like zip tie it to the underneath of this, to the underside of this rail here. So, or something like that, I guess. We'll see. We'll figure that out. We'll get it loomed. Let's continue on. Alright, well, that's what we ended up with. Runs across top, down into there, then just goes underneath, and up into there. And then comes right in. Comes right on in. Got more than enough to hook up to all this goodies. So, that's going to be it for this one. See you in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. Yeah. That's it. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.